Introducing the WeGuard Divino water heater. This heater has a capacity of 25 liters. It is energy efficient, with CFC-free PUF insulation that is thick and high density for optimal heat retention. It has an advanced vitreous enamel coating that covers the inner tank, an Incoloy 800 heating element that ensures long-term performance, and a thick magnesium anode that adds to the overall protection. It has a high-grade mild steel tank with a single weld line, which decreases the risk of leaking. The heater features advanced thermostat and thermal cutout mechanism for dual overheat protection. Excessive pressure buildup, vacuum formation, and reverse water flow are all prevented by its 5-in-1 multi-function safety valve. It also features multi-layer protection against corrosion and scaling. The heater has a temperature control knob to adjust temperature between 35 to 75 degrees Celsius. It has a twin LED display with power and heating indicators. The product measures 40.1 by 38.1 by 53.3 centimeters and weighs 11.8 kilograms. The box includes one water heater, user manual, warranty guide, wall mounting kit and multifunction valve. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.